दोस्तों, आज का ये हमारा वीडियो क्लास 10th की मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर नंबर 10 सर्कल्स का पार्ट 2 है। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th की मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर 10 की एक्सरसाइज 10.2 में जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके सॉल्यूशंस का एंजॉयमेंट करेंगे। तो आइए लेट अस स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड एंजॉय इट अप टू लास्ट। चैप्टर नंबर 10 सर्कल्स exercise 10.2. In this exercise, starting before this exercise, first of all I want to tell you that theorem which we used in the questions in the given exercise 10.2. So here is the question, here is the theorem. The statement of theorem is prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external points to a circle are equal. मीन्स हमें यहाँ पे प्रूव करना है कि किसी भी एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से टेंजेंट्स के जो सर्कल के दो टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ किए जाते हैं वो इक्वल होंगे। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम गिवन लिख लेते हैं। व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? हियर इज गिवन दैट सर्कल एंड tangents, only two things is given, one is circle and other thing is tangents, and requirement to prove that tangents are equal, ये हमें प्रूव करना है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट हियर गिवन थिंग्स, दैट इज ए सर्कल with center O and two tangents let these tangents are AP and BP, where P is the external point. Okay, after that what to prove here? Yes, we will prove here that tangents are equal, that is tangent AP just equal to tangent BP. Okay, now for proving these things we will need here construction. So what is the construction required? Construction, we will join OA, OB and OP. These three things is required to prove the requirement. Okay, now start proof. For proving this, here is need something, means first of all we will make here diagram. So let's diagram as, let us, this is a circle and this circle have two tangents. Let these two tangents are this is the external point P, and let us this point is A and the second point is B. Okay, now dear, you know that tangents are perpendicular, radius are perpendicular to the tangents, or tangents are perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So this angle is 90 degree. Now how can you prove this theorem? Yes, sir. Okay, now let us start. In triangle, first one we will take triangle OAP. This is the triangle number 1, and the second triangle is OBP. So we will take these two triangles and we will prove here these two triangles are congruent. So how can we prove? So let's see here. Yes, in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Okay, so how can you prove? Yes, first of all you can see here OA and OB, these are two radius of the same circle. So you will write here that OA equal to OB, radii of same circle. Okay, after that second things, here is angle A just equal to angle B. Why? Both are 90 degree. So you will write these things that angle OAP just equal to angle OBP, each 90 degree. Otherwise you can write here radius are perpendicular to the tangents. And now third things is given here, this one OP just common in both triangle. So you will write OP equal to OP common. Yes, OP equal to OP, and this is common. Now you can observe here that yes, 90 degree, and this OP is the hypotenuse of triangle OAP, and similarly in triangle OBP this is 90 degree and OP is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So hypotenuse, angle and one side of triangle you can used here according to this condition. Which criteria? Hypotenuse 90 degree and one side, that is RHS. By RHS criterion, triangle OAP congruent to triangle OBP. If these two triangles are congruent here, then you can say that by CPCT, that is what? All the corresponding parts are equal. So you can write here that is AP equal to BP by CPCT, and this is the required thing. So you can write here that tangents AP just equal to tangent BP. Yes. And then you can say that what? That tangents drawn from external points are equal. Okay, tangents drawn from an external point are equal. तो पॉइंट्स, एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट ऑफ ए सर्कल आप भी लिख सकते हैं, ऑफ ए सर्कल। आर ऑलवेज इक्वल। ठीक है, तो ये आपका प्रूव हो गया। तो आप यहां पे लिख सकते हैं आफ्टर दैट हेंस प्रूव्ड। So dear, this is the most important theorem. Keep in your mind. In every exam you will get this theorem. So this is the most important theorem. Okay, now moving for next things, that's exercise 10.2. And here is the first question, you can see here just like that. Yes, choose the correct option. अब यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं और ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस तरह के भी क्वेश्चन आपसे एग्जाम में पूछ लिए जाते हैं। तो करना क्या है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट Q, yes of course you can see here, from a point Q that length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter, the radius of the circle is। तो यहाँ पे हमें रेडियस पता करना है। तो यहाँ डायग्राम नहीं दिया हुआ है, डायग्राम आपको बनाना होगा। तो आइए देखते हैं कि किस तरह से आप इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे। यस ऑफ कोर्स डियर, वेरी नाइस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ड्रॉ ए सर्कल जस्ट लाइक दैट, यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज द सर्कल एंड दिस सर्कल हैव लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट, मीन्स हियर दिस इज ए one tangent is given, and side is given here, this is 24 centimeter and this is 25 centimeter and this one is required. Okay, so you can see here in this diagram OQ is given that 25 centimeter, OTQT is given that 24 centimeter and OT is required. According to this question, the radius of the circle, that is OT is the radius of this circle, so requirement is OT. So now dear, you know very well that this angle is 90 degree, and if this is 90 degree then you can say that this is a right angle triangle. So you will write here, in right angle triangle, in right triangle OTQ by Pythagoras theorem you can use here hypotenuse just equal to square of hypotenuse just equal to, means h square equal to base square plus altitude square. So dear, hypotenuse is, if this angle is 90 degree then this side OQ is hypotenuse. Okay, and this is the base, otherwise you can take the altitude, and this is the base. So now you put all the values here. Yes, of course, this is 25 centimeter square equal to base is 24 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। आप इसे इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं, बेस की जगह आप OT भी लिख सकते हैं, दैट इज OT स्क्वायर। These two sides are changeable, आप OT इसकी जगह लिख सकते हैं और यहाँ पे एल्टीट्यूड की जगह 24 भी लिख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. Now you can simplify it. So this is 625 means square of 25 and square of 24, this is 576 centimeter square. And if you transpose this to left hand side, then you will get minus 576 and you will get in the right hand side OT square. Now what you will get after this? You will get here OT square equal to 49 centimeter square. Now taking square root both side, therefore you will get OT equal to 7 plus minus 7, okay, plus minus 7 centimeter, but radius is never negative, so it is only what? It is only 7 centimeter. So dear, you can write finally the radius of square, the radius of circle this equal to 7 centimeter. So dear, this is the answer of this question. Finally you can write, you can see in the question, and this option is given in the A number, so you can write option A is correct. A, and this is 7 centimeter. So this is the answer of this question. Finally you can write. Now dear, moving for next question. Here question number 2 is given that in this question number 2, in the figure is already given. If TP and TQ are the two tangents of a circle with the center O, so that angle PTQ equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to. So which is the angle PTQ? Now we see here diagram is just like that. Now dear, this angle is given that you know very well this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, and this angle is given here how much? This is 110 degree. So you can solve this question by two methods. In first method, The name of this diagram is given here, POQT. P, this point is O, this point is Q, and this point is T. So you can use, this is a quadrilateral, you can use here angle sum property of quadrilateral. Otherwise you can direct find angle is required, that is angle PTQ. Angle PTQ, this is required. So how can you find the value of this angle? Yes, of course you can find very easily by angle sum property of quadrilateral, you will get angle O plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle T. This is just equal to 360 degree, and therefore on putting the values you will get here, this is angle O is 110 degree and angle P is 90 degree, because radius is always perpendicular to tangents. Angle Q is also 90 degree, and angle T means this is angle PTQ. Angle PTQ, this equal to 360 degree. Now the sum of angles, that is angle PTQ, this is 360 degree, and now 90 and 90, how much? 180 degree, and 180 plus 110, this is 180 and 10, 90 and 100, that is 290 degree. So you will write here 290 degree and transpose this 290 degree to right hand side. So you will get negative values, that is 290. So what is the remainder? 60 minus 90, how much? 360 minus 290, this is 70 degree. Otherwise you can use this method also. आप ये वाला मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हो, दैट इज सम ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स 180 degree, that is angle O plus angle T, always 180 degree. Okay, so now you used here this, that is angle POQ plus angle PTQ, this equal to 180 degree. So now put the value as POQ, it is how much? 110 degree plus angle PTQ 180 degree. So you will get angle PTQ, this equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, and you will get it 70 degree, and 70 degree is given in the option number B. So you can say that, you can write here option B is the correct answer. Option B, that is 70 degree. So dear, finally you can write that this is the answer of this question. Now moving for next question number 3, I want to tell you that this question number 3, the statement of the question number 3 is, if tangents, okay, if tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to, इस बार आपको दो टेंजेंट्स दिए हुए हैं, सर्कल भी दिया हुआ है, और दोनों टेंजेंट्स के बीच का जो एंगल है वो आपको दिया है 80 डिग्री, Then question is that find the central angle of the circle. Means I want to tell you that how can you find this angle. Yes, first of all I want to draw the figure, that is, yes dear, first of all we will take this circle just like that. Okay, and this is the circle and there are given two tangents, so we will draw two tangents. In this diagram, this angle is given that 80 degree. Okay, and let's this P point, and this is the point A, and this is the point B, and this is the center of the circle O. Now requirement to find the angle of POA. What is the angle required? Angle POA. How can you find this angle POA? That is angle POA, means this angle is required. So dear, you know very well, if these two tangents are equal, okay, means these two tangents are equal, then these and radii are same, this is angle 90 degree, then these two triangles are congruent, and this, if these two triangles are congruent, then this angle is divided in two equal parts, that is, this is 40 degree, half of 80 degree, and this is also how much? 40 degree. 40 40 80 degree, and here this is, you know very well that this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is also 90 degree, but no need to find angle B. Only you can say, if here you can say that if PA and PB are tangents, therefore PA equal to PB, and this shows that angle half of angle means this angle, only this angle. You can write that angle POA, no sorry, this angle is that is OPA, just half of angle given, that is angle APB, so it is 40 degree. Now if in triangle only AOP by angle sum property, that is what you write here. Angle sum property is given here. You can say that this angle and this angle plus this angle, that is angle half, angle O means this angle, and angle A and half of angle P just equal to 180 degree. So you can say that angle A plus angle OPA plus angle POA, this equal to 180 degree. Now put all the values. Angle is 90 degree and angle OPA, this angle 40 degree, plus angle POA is required in this question. So 90 and 40, how much? Yes dear, angle POA is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 40, this is 130 degree, and this value will get 50 degree. So this 50 degree is given in the option A. So you can write finally option A is correct. That is 50 degree. And finally you can write this is the answer of this question. So this is the answer of this question. So dear तो हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और अगर ये पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए।